And some other cool features in Timeplus Enterprise, which is not available in the Timeplus Proton, is we have access to WebSocket or Nets or SSE or other systems. So for example, if I create a WebSocket data source coming from Coinbase, and you need to set what is the message format. Again, we can say this is my market data, and all the data is put into a law format, a law string, which is okay because Timeplus is very powerful and easy to use regarding JSON processing. Then you can see we get new data, latest data coming from Coinbase. And again, if you click on the raw data, you can see what's the typical key value pairs, right? Then you can write SQL. By default, we extract all the value as a stream. So if you wanted to convert this to a float number, you're just using this special language syntax. So this will be a float as a price. And that's it. Then you easily convert the raw stream as different columns. Then if you want, you can even build a chart. Say, for example, you can even choose one of the chart we support and add it to a dashboard, or even set a SQL-based alert if a certain stock or certain symbol reach a certain threshold, you want to trigger alert. Or you can even, based on some stateful processing, for the past 3 seconds or 3 minutes, if the price is keep going up, maybe you should buy, otherwise you might want to sell. So Timeplus provide very easy to access data connection. And remember, all those activities is happening on a very small machine, 1 core CPU and a 4G memory with ARM chip. So I don't think this is doable in, for example, like Apache Flink. So Timeplus Enterprise give you a very easy to use experience with low cost.